got some tea. So this is an unboxing video. Let's go. It's unboxing time. Annyeonghaseyo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today we'll be unboxing a traditional Korean tea. But first, let's talk about the packaging. I mean, it's giving reality vibe. They call this the traditional tea of king because it is inspired by the herbal tea Korean royalty used to drink during the Joseon dynasty. You know those historical drama where the king or someone from the royal family requests for herbal tea? This is exactly the type of tea. This tea is basically a collection of teas studied and developed by director Kim Jong-ho of Sangye Tea Research Institute based on traditional teas recorded in the annals of the Joseon dynasty and the diaries of the royal secretariat. The tea, which is historically brewed a lot in the royal palace, are reinterpreted for modern day consumers. Talking about the Korean tradition, it is the 80th anniversary of Korea's Liberation Day. It is celebrated on the 15th of August every year, and what better way to share in their joy than to drink the traditional Korean tea. But before we drink the tea, let's unbox this beautiful teacup set. Yedura, the packaging is giving, I mean, it looks like a small treasure chest. This is the Urim teacup set. It is beautifully crafted. I mean, the ceramic inside is a very fine piece of art. There is a saying that the tea is only half the experience. The vessel matters also. This design is inspired by traditional Korean pottery. This teacup carries a sense of history and refinement that makes the use of it special. It is a bridge to Korean culture and a reminder that beauty can be found in the smallest details. To seal the honeymoon of drinking the traditional tea in the traditional teacup set, I have to change and wear my hanbok. Before we do that, let's just admire the teacup set a little bit. I mean, chogum. And the tea, just look at it in all its beauty. You're my